What is up, guys? I gotta remember what clips I have of doing the brake bleeding and stuff, but I don't think I got much recorded of that. But we did get the brakes finished up, got them bled, got the truck back on the ground, got the battery relocation done. We tightened the box down a little bit too much, and it like made it like twist. So when we get it home, I'll go ahead and loosen the bolts up a little bit so the box isn't so twisted, and then we'll probably build a metal bracket for this so that, you know, some guy can't just walk up and fuck with my battery. They literally have to unbolt some shit, but we'll do that later. So we're here at Phat Fabs. Talked to Jake and he kind of looked over the whole deal. What we're gonna do is he's gonna notch the frame for me down here, so that we can get our tie rod to quit hitting the frame, and give us a little bit better travel, and then we're gonna go from there. He didn't really like my sway bar link angle, but basically what it's here for, well, I guess that's the rest of all that being cleaned up, if you guys that were wondering. It's all zip tied in for now. I'm gonna get proper those little insulated rubber clamp deals. I'm gonna get those. I've got to rewrap it right here because it's gonna hit this corner. I just know it. Anyways, so it's here. So what Jake and his crew are gonna do for me is do the tie rod notch in the frame. It's pretty sick, ain't it? Anyways, they're gonna do that for me, and then also he's gonna look over the whole kit, basically all the suspension stuff. He'll check my pinion angles and all that, basically make sure everything's okay, make sure there's not something that I just totally screwed up and did wrong, you know, just basically make sure it's safe to go down the road. So we're gonna do that, get that done. He said they should be done with it in the next day or two, so that's cool. So yeah, let the world famous Phat Fabs get a little piece of the low country. It's awesome. Jake's an awesome dude. Jake McKitty, the owner, and his crew. He keeps an awesome crew around. Obviously, proof's in the pudding. They've got beautiful trucks across the country, across the world. So pretty stoked to have them put their hands on the low country. It means a lot to have a quality team like that be a part of the build. And yeah, so I'll pick this video back up when we pick it up, whether that be tomorrow or whatever. So yeah, pretty stoked about that. The only things we got left to do after that is get it aligned and get the final tune done with bales, and then we can start driving the thing and start getting her on the road and start buttoning everything up, start doing the cool shit to it, like the radio, get the dash finished up, get the interior finished up, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, can't wait to see when they get done. Till then. All right, so Phat Fabs hooked us up. We got took care of. Finally had to fix all the IHC's BS. So the main thing it came here for is we got this sick tie rod notch. Looks good. Then we had another problem. Once we did that, the truck sat lower. So once it sat down lower, I was like, what do we do now? So then we kind of looked at it, and I remembered those little lift pucks that came with the IHC kit. So I was like, okay, well, why don't we put the lift puck on the driver's side and pick the driver's side up? And we did that, and now it doesn't hit. So what we're gonna do is I gotta get gas because I haven't put gas in this thing ever. So I'm gonna put some gas in it, and then we've got an alignment shop like 5 miles down the road that they use all the time. So take it down there to them, get it aligned, and then we're good to go. So let's get to it. Holy shit, boys. I'm so glad I took it to Phat Fabs, dude. It doesn't hit at all. It doesn't scrape, hit, smack, nothing. Fucking perfect. Hell yes. Hell yes, boys. Fucking A. Alright, so the back hits. They talked to me about my notch. I need a bigger C-notch in the back. So that's all that's hitting. Shit, as long as the front's good, I'm good. I'll pick the shackles back up in the back and raise it up for now until I do a bigger notch, but we're finally on the road, boys. All right, boys, so I have a very sketchy drive across town. I have a busted windshield, which the cops in our area love to fuck with people for busted windshields. So yeah, we're gonna see if we can make it. I found all the alignment shops around here are booked out for 3 weeks. I got a buddy at a dealership. They're gonna take care of me. A couple of the homies have dealt with lower trucks quite a bit that work up there, so they're like, no, we got you, bro, we'll get it took care of. So I'm gonna try to sneak and zigzag through the little neighborhood roads and stuff to avoid authority detection. And yeah, so whew, hope we make it, boys. Let's cross our fingers. Well, we made it, boys. So dropped it off. While it's here, we're gonna get an alignment, and then we're also gonna get the brakes fixed, bled the rest of the way out so I can get the pedal back. The brakes work. Like if I jam them all the way, the brakes lock up, but the pedal's not right. Like the pedal's gooey, and I'm just gonna let them finish it while it's here, and then we'll get it back in a couple days. So might also get a windshield in it while we're here. But anyways, that's it for this one. We made it, boys. We made the drive. Nothing fell off, nothing fell apart. I didn't die, I didn't get pulled over. So we're in good shape, boys. Finally making some big progress. So on that note, we do have the new hats on the website, the skullet hats. So I'm running a deal right now. I'm gonna post this video tonight, or well, either tonight or first thing in the morning. But anyways, from right now until this Sunday, April 18th at midnight, if you order any skullet hat, just go on the website, find the skullet hats, click on them. There will be a drop down for which style you want, and I tried to change it so that the proper picture goes with the right drop down option. So I have Richardson 112s, which is like your typical curve trucker snapback, and then I have the Richardson 7 panels. It's a really nice flat bill. It's you know, it's cool. There's camo, there's white, gray, and black. There's an all black 112. There's several different combinations. So y'all be sure to check that out if you've been wanting a hat, if you want to support the channel, or if you just need a new hat and want to support me. Check out the website, MattyXBuilds.com. Links in the bio, links in the description wherever this is getting watched at. The link is down there. It's there. It's there. I'm gonna put it on the screen just to be a smart ass. But anyways, you guys know the deal. That's it for this one. Peace out, be human, and we'll freaking see you later.